Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can make increase to the timeout of your screen in Windows 11. Okay, so let's get started. But before then, there are some ways you can do that. There are three major methods you can do that. That is on how to increase screen timeout in Windows 11. But here I'm going to walk you through on the quickest way you can do that. So the first step is to click on the search app being at the taskbar of your computer by default. Then in the search space or the search bar, type the word edit power plan. Edit power plan. Okay, all right, this has shown up a particular option under the control panel. So click on that edit power plan and then hold on for it to open this page fully. All right, this has opened the edit power plan page. By default, turn off the display is set at 3 minutes. I'm the one that changed it. So if you want to increase it, you can click there and select number 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, or how lengthy you want your PC to stay on, as in the screen to be on when plugged into power. Okay, this is when plugged into power. That's why you can see on battery. Okay, now when it is using only the battery and not plugged into power, you can select the how lengthy you want it to stay on, the screen to be active, okay, when on battery. Now if you plug in the computer and there's inactivity under the plugged in section, how long do you want it to stay on before the screen goes off? You can do that here. So click on the drop down and select how long. You have so many hours. You can even go on with the option for never. All right, so after setting all these parameters, okay, then the next thing you have to, no matter how long you want it to be, just set it right the way you want it. Now on this section, put the computer to sleep. How long do you want it to stay on before it is put to sleep when you are using your battery and not plugged into power source? So make that selection here. By default, it is placed at 45 minutes. And I like that, it's okay by me. But if you want to make increase, you can go with never of 5 hours or 4 hours, no matter how you want to do it. Then here, when plugged in, how long do you want it to stay on before it is put to sleep? Make the selection here. Okay, by default 20 minutes is chosen, but you can make increase on that or not. So it depends on you. After you made all these changes you want to have on the display, then click on save changes. Okay, once you do that, close the page and you are good to go. All right, so anytime you are not feeling comfortable with the new settings you put the computer into, go back to this same page and make the change you want to have in it. All right, so but know that the longer your computer screen stays on, the more your battery be going down when it's not plugged on into a power source. So that should be taken into consideration. So I hope I have answered the question that you may be searching for on how to increase screen time out in what is Windows 11 OS computers. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and like this video. Stay good and see you next time.